This is an update to the SeaGamma software, detailing the changes to the report generation. In previous versions, the FMD operator would create the actual Word document that would be sent to the client, after basic checks were carried out at STR offices. Now, however, the FMD operator is guided through the report generation by the SeaGamma software, which ensures that the format of the report is consistent and helps to pick up any problems along the way. Once all of the steps have been followed, a survey zip package is created, containing all of the necessary data for report generation. This file is then emailed to STR for final report preparation. So, with the survey file loaded, click on the Tools menu and click on the Create Report option. Straight away, you can see that things are different. This first screen is showing all the members, and you can scroll down the list to view them all. You can also add post-survey comments by clicking on the box of the same name. These comments will be added to the survey file, but it's still up to the report generator at STR whether they are included or not. The next screen is Incomplete Members. This is to highlight to the operator if certain members haven't been surveyed, whether intentional or not. In either case, the operator must add a reason in the Reason Not Surveyed box to allow progress to the next screen. Just click in the box alongside each incomplete member and type the reason. The member variation list shows all of the members whose diameter or wall thickness were changed on the commit measurement form while they were being surveyed. These new members are created to make it easier for the report generator to see what was changed, because the member ident is based on the original member, but with an addition of the change made, whether it was the diameter or wall thickness or both. The Members with Multiple Results section shows all of those members which have multiple results, due to multiple readings being taken. At least one of each member on this form must be selected in order to continue to the next stage. It's possible to select all by clicking on the Select All button, clicking again to deselect all. So this allows you to cherry pick the results that you wish to be shown in the final report. Anomalous members are those that were measured to be wet or partial. In this particular survey, there were none, so this screen is empty. The calibration section lists all of the calibrations that were completed in the survey. Any which appear in red have been identified by the software to be out of tolerance, as the software knows the limits which would normally be expected for air and water counts. This would also have been flagged to the operator at the time of performing the calibration. A comment should be added to any which are red, giving the reason for it. In this instance, the wrong source type was clicked when performing the calibration. So we add this note as an observation. The final review screen is just that. It allows you to check that all of the results required to be in the final report are present and correct. You can click Next to move to the next stage, or click back to make adjustments to previous screens if necessary. On the final stage, you can see totals of members in the survey and all accessible members, broken down into horizontal, vertical and vertical diagonal. It also displays the members not surveyed and further splits this into members that were inaccessible, or members that weren't complete. The survey summary, or the report assistance information box, allows the operator to enter any information that needs to be in the summary section of the actual report. That was the Word document in previous versions. You can click back to go to the previous screens again if necessary, but if you're ready to generate the report package, click on the Create Report Package button. A reminder pops up just informing you what's about to happen. If you're not yet ready to create the report package, you can click Cancel. But we want to go ahead, so we click OK. You can see that we have a warning box saying that it cannot locate the debug directory and that they won't be added to the survey package. In this case, the debug directory wasn't available, but in real surveys it will always be generated and added to the survey package. This directory contains all of the raw data from the point at which the survey was started. This data is useful to have and can be used by the report generator to resolve possible problems. We'll ignore this warning as it's not relevant in this presentation. A box then pops up saying that the survey package has been created at the location shown. If you click OK, the target directory is opened. You can see the survey results file with date and time. Out of interest, if you open this zip file, you can see the original completed survey file and the survey file you have just processed. If there was a debug directory, this would also be in the package. All you need to do now is email the survey package zip file to STR to be processed by the report generator. You can then close this form to return to the main software window.